So in this particular class, I'll tell you about the basic definition of different kinds of equations as well as with some examples. So first one is linear equation. The first one is linear equation. Linear equations. So first, what do you mean by linear equations? Linear equations होता क्या है? So it is an equation between two variables that give a straight line when plotted on a graph. Linear means what? Linear means straight, and it is an equation between two variables that give a straight line when plotted on a graph. So in this case, you will get a straight line. A straight line. So we all know what is the equation of a straight line. So equation of a straight line is what? Y equal to ax plus b, where a and b having some numbers and x cannot be 0. In this case, this x cannot be 0. So this is the equation of a straight line which is linear in nature, where x have no exponent. No exponent. It has no exponent. So this one is the definition of linear equation. I repeat again, an equation between two variables that gives a straight line when plotted on a graph. Or if you want to convert this equation into a graph, so what is my linear equation graph? Y equal to mx plus c. So y equal to mx plus c, if you compare this one, compare with this y mx plus c, what is c here? So the c is nothing but y-intercept. Y-intercept, where the straight line cut the y-axis, and this m is what? Slope. Slope of the line. Slope of the line. So in this case, this x cannot be 0 again. Now, your equation of a straight line must be like this. This is your x-axis, this one is x-axis, this one is y-axis. So this straight line, this is your c value. This is the straight line where y equal to mx plus c, and this is the slope of the line. Now, the slope can be like this also. It can be like this also. It can be like this also. So this is also the different kind of line of linear equation. So in this case, again I am repeating, linear equation is what? An equation between two variables that gives a straight line. Gives a straight line. Gives a straight line when plotted on a graph. When plotted on the graph. This is the basic definition of linear equation as well as one example. So one example, if I am telling you, you can write 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of what? This is the equation of linear equation. 4x plus 3 equal to y. So one example is what? 4x plus 3 equal to y, or you can say that y equal to 6x plus 9. This is also the example of linear equation. Another example, you can also write y equal to 2x plus 4. This is also an example of linear equation. So there are so many linear equations. The basic idea is what? Y equal to ax plus b. In having x has no exponent and x could not be equal to 0. And when you plot it into a graph, you will get a straight line. This is the basics of linear equation. Now move further. Non-linear equation. What do you mean by non-linear equation? So second one is non-linear equation. Non-linear equation. Non-linear equation. So a system of non-linear equation is a system of two or more equation in two or more variable containing at least one equation that is not linear. So in this case, in non-linear equation, when you plot the graph of the variable, you will not get the straight line. Either you get a straight line, but one variable, one equation is not a linear equation. It could be quadratic, it could be polynomial, it could be any kind, but it cannot be a straight line. So in non-linear equation, something like this. I am giving you one example. Suppose if you have one equation like this, y equal to x square plus 1, and second is x minus y equal to minus 1, minus y equal to minus 1. This is two equation. In this equation is linear, but this equation is not linear. So if you plot this equation into a graph, you will get a straight line like this. So this is what x minus y equal to minus 1. But what is the slope, what is the curve nature of this equation? So you maybe get this equation like this one. So this is the graph of y equal to x square plus 1, which is not linear. Again I am repeating, a system of linear equation is a system of two or more equation in two or more variable containing at least one equation that is not linear. So in this equation, in non-linear equation, this equation is linear, but this equation is not linear. When you plot the value of variable with respect to left hand side and right hand side, you will not get a straight line. You will not get a straight line. In this case, you will get a straight line. This is linear equation, sir, but this is not linear. This is called non-linear equations. So this is about the non-linear equation. Now move further. The third equation, which is quadratic equation. Now move into the third equation, quadratic equation. Quadratic equations. Basic definition. What do you mean by quadratic equation? So this is a second degree equation where one variable out of all constraints have exponent of 2. I repeat again. This is a second degree equation where one variable out of all contains the exponent of 2. For example, if I am telling you one equation like this, ax square plus bx plus c, that is equal to 0. So this is quadratic equation, sir. Again, this is a second degree equation where one variable out of all contains, one variable out of all contains have exponent of 2. इसमें जो a वेरिएबल है, जितने भी यहाँ पे कंटेंट्स हैं, उसका एक्सपोनेंट क्या है? 2 है. This 2. I repeat again my basic definition of quadratic equation. This is a second degree equation where one variable out of all contains the exponent of 2. So ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equation where x cannot equal to 0. This is quadratic equation, sir. For example given. Now let us one example. 4x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation where this x has exponent of 2. This is one variable, and this is second degree equation. Now 6x square plus 9x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation. Again, second degree equation, one variable have exponent of 2 out of all contains. Now x square plus 4x plus 6, that is equal to 0. This is also a quadratic equation. So these all are the example of quadratic equation. I again repeat the basic definition. This is the second degree equation where one variable out of all contains the exponent of 2. Now move to the next equation, and that one is what? Radical equation. Radical equation. Radical equation. So what do you mean by radical equation? Radical equation क्या होता है? So radical equation has the equation where the exponent of x, the maximum power of x could be 1 by 2. 1 by 2. I again repeat, these are equations whose maximum exponent on the variable is 1 by 2 and have more than one term. For example, root x plus 10 is equal to 19. So this is called radical equation where x have the exponent of 1 by 2. You can write this equation like this also, x to the power 1 by 2 plus 10, that is equal to 19. So in easier term you can write the expression like this, root x plus 10 is equal to 19. I repeat again the definition. These are the equation whose maximum exponent is what, 1 by 2 and have more than one variable. It have more than one variable also. So root x plus 10 is equal to 19, more than one variable is called radical equation. So this is all about the radical equation. If you want to write the basic definition, you can write it. This is the equation whose maximum exponent of the variable is x by 1 by 2 and have more than one term. Here the variable is lying inside the radical, symbolically represented square root of x also, right? So this is about the radical equation. Now move to the next basic equation, which is trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equation, fourth one. Trigonometric equations. Now, what do you mean by trigonometric equation? क्या होता है trigonometric equation? In mathematics, you can find so many equations having trigonometric functions, like it must contain sine function or cos function. It may be cosine function or cot function. It can be cot function or tan function. So you can write the definition. So trigonometric equation is what? These are equations in which the variable are affected by trigonometric functions. For example, cos x plus sine x, cos square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. This is trigonometric equation. Or you can write like this also, cos 2x, that is equal to 1 plus sine 4x. 1 plus sine 4x. This is also trigonometric equation. This is also a trigonometric equation. So what do you mean by trigonometric equation? These are the equations in which the variables are affected by trigonometric functions. It must have some trigonometric function. It must have some trigonometric values like sine, cos, tan, cosec, cot, like this. So this is the equation of trigonometric equation. Now move to the next equation, which one is polynomial equation. Polynomial equations. Polynomial equations. So first thing is, what do you mean by poly? So poly means many. Poly means what? Many. See the beauty of concept of equations. Linear, exponent value 1. Okay. Radical equation, x to the power 1 by 2. Quadratic equation, x to the power 2. Exponent is 2. Polynomial equation, where you have number of exponent increases by 2. So the basic definition of polynomial equation is what? A polynomial equation is one which takes away the highest exponent limit. There is no limitation of x exponent. Here all the x are number and equation consists of several terms. For example, for the basic equation of polynomial equation is 4x cube minus 6x square plus 5x plus 9 is equal to 0. This is a polynomial equation where this highest degree of x exponent is 3. Now I can write 7x to the power 9 minus 11x to the power 8 plus 13x to the power 6 plus 7x square plus 9 is equal to 0. This is all polynomial equation where there is no limit of x exponent. I repeat again, a polynomial equation is one which takes away the highest exponential limit. Highest exponential limit. Highest exponential limit. So you can write another equation like this also. X to the power 9 minus 17 x to the power 6, that is equal to 25. This is also polynomial equation. So this is all about polynomial equation. Polynomial equation. You can write the definition. A polynomial equation is one which takes away the highest exponent limit. Here all the x are in numbers and consist of several terms. consists of several terms. This is polynomial equation. Now the last equations is exponential equations. So the last equation is what? Exponential equation. So I am writing here exponential equation. Exponential equation. So what do you mean by exponential equation first? So in exponential equation, the concept of solving exponential equation is different. Here you will have the exponent terms of variables, and then you segregate it first, then take log, equate the power and find out the variables. So there are different methods and approach. So these equations that have variable in place of exponent, ab is equal to 0 is an exponential equation. So कैसे solve करेंगे exponential equation को? I am just writing one equation like 3 की power x minus 1 is equal to 4. This is the question, right? So in this term, this x is what? Exponential equation, exponential term. So I can first segregate each and everything, variable and quantity. So this will one go over here. So you will get 3x equal to 5. Now after segregating, this is the first step. You take in second step, take log. So I am taking log 3x equal to log of 5. So you can take log for both sides, left hand side and right hand side. Now in third step, use the rule of power. The rule of power means this power is shifted over here. So this is x log 3 is equal to log 5, and fourth step, find out the value of variable. Find the value of variable. My variable is what? My variable is x. So I can write x equal to log 5 divided by log 3. So this is the value of x. Right? This is how you solve exponential equation. Now I can write another equation also. Suppose if you have 5 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the power x. Suppose this is the equation. This is example number 1. Example first. Now if this is example 2, so how you solve such kind of question? It is already segregated. Now I am taking log. So log of 5x minus 1 is equal to log of 2 to the power x. Now use power of log. So this is x minus 1 log 5, that is equal to log. This is equal to what? X is what? X log 2. Now multiply x log 5 minus log 5 into 1. So this is log 5 is equal to x log 2. Now take x variable one side. So I can write like this also, x log 5, and this is minus of log 2, that is equal to this right hand side, it comes positive log 5. So what is the variable of x in this case? So x in this case is log 5 divided by log 5 minus of log 2. So this is how you solve when the terms are in exponential form, exponential equation form. So in exponential equation, you will have the equation in exponential form. How you can solve the equation? There are 4 steps, not method, 4 steps. First, isolate the exponential part of the equation. If there are 2 exponential parts, then first you segregate it out. Now second step is take the logarithm of each side of the equation. Step number 3, apply power property and rewrite the equation, and finally solve the variable. So here first step is I am segregating, then taking log, third use the rule of power, and then find the variables. So this is how you solve exponential equation. This is all about the different types of equations with example and definitions. Thank you.